If you're an athlete, amateur or professional, you must make infrared sauna treatments part of your regimen. 2 to 3 30-minute sessions per week can make a measurable impact on your performance and recovery. Heating the body through safe, natural infrared radiation dilates blood vessels, bringing oxygen-rich blood to your muscles for post-training healing and recovery. It also improves overall oxygen transport so your muscles can operate longer and stronger in competition. Regular heating conditions your body to endure stress at high temperatures. Called hyperthermic conditioning, it slows muscle degradation, inhibiting atrophy. A 2007 study of male long-distance runners shows regular sauna use increased their time to exhaustion by 32%, and that both plasma and blood cell volumes increased. In the early 1990s, Finnish researchers discovered regular sauna use increases production of HGH, human growth hormone, which plays a key role in muscle growth and repair. Prolonged heat exposure has been shown to increase the release of norepinephrine in the brain, a key hormone to maintain health and cognitive performance. Perspiration helps eliminate toxins and can also boost immune response, according to a 2013 study published in the Journal of Human Kinetics. To learn how you can transform your athletic performance by getting your own home infrared sauna, visit our site or call us at 888-666-1019. The JNH Pro Series, changing the way athletes condition.